Krea AI is a generative AI creative platform that uses advanced models to help users quickly and interactively generate, enhance, edit, and upgrade visual content, including images, graphics, and videos, via a web browser or app. It works with text descriptions, sketches, or uploaded content to produce high-quality visuals in real time. Krea AI can create unique images from simple text descriptions or sketches. You can control styles, composition, lighting, and artistic effects, everything from realistic photography to abstract art. Krea AI can improve low-resolution images up to 4K, 8K, or more. Krea AI can generate dynamic videos from prompts or by animating static images. It supports different AI video generation models, letting you create professional-looking clips for social media, ads, or storytelling. As you type or adjust visual inputs, Krea updates the visual output instantly, often in under a second, giving you immediate feedback and letting you refine your ideas on the fly.